Hello. I'm going to show you how to ride a remote control car. Not, I mean, not a remote like this, because this one is really easy controller, but a remote like this. So, this wheel is the car's steering wheel, and this thing is for, if you pull it towards you, it is forwards, and if you pull it the other side, it's backwards. And sometimes it can also be the opposite. So I am going to control this car. So this is Formula 1 car, Aston Martin logo, and all other logos like Red Bull and other logos, and Honda. So I am going to ride this car over around these bags. So we put the car on wheel. So I am pulling it towards me. Now I'm going forward. And this controller is this controller also does this and this. So that means left and right. So look at the car. Look at my hand. Then I'm going to pull it backwards. And now this indicator. So now the car is there. Now I'm going to turn it the other side. Just going to pull it back.